Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at a one bedroom, one bath manufactured home at lot M-14 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community in Carteret, New Jersey. Now let's take a look inside the house. So we can see the pretty spacious living room right here. You've got those glass cabinets in the kitchen on the left. There's a coat rack right as you come in the door. All the appliances in this house are brand new. They come with warranties. Here are the warranties. Here's the inside. This house also comes with outside electric and water hookup. Got a little tray in there. There's another glass cabinet. Here's the fridge. All the appliances in this house are also energy efficient, and this house is Energy Star certified, making it a really great house for the winter, where it'll keep you warm, and the summer when it keep you cool. That's the thermostat. Here is the bathroom. This house comes with a washer and dryer. You'll see the shower here has double bypass doors, and it has 2 seats in the shower. Here's where you could put some linens. Here is the furnace, which controls the heat and air conditioning. This is a central air conditioning house. And here's the bedroom. So we have the electric to the side. This is 100 amps. And everything on the electric is already labeled for you. Here's the closet. And we have in the corner here the water heater. We like to give you guys a little door for it, makes it a little bit more accessible. Looks much nicer. If you'd like to inquire about one of our homes, you can go to myhomeincarteret.com and fill out one of the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the process, and we'll add you to our email list that lets us keep you up to date with what houses are available. Everything about this house is listed in the description. I'll leave you with the still photos of the house.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.